If you're having search issues inside of your TikTok account, in today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is that if your internet connection is stable or not. You can also try switching your network, for example, from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data. Secondly, you can try to check if any new updates are available. Sometimes bugs may be causing this issue, so just head over to the Play Store or the App Store and try to see if there are any new updates available for TikTok. If you do see new updates, you can just tap on the update button and then try to remove the app from the recent list and then try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of TikTok. Just tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon, which is the app info, head over to storage, and right here you'll see the option of clear cache. Lastly, what you can try out if none of these solutions work out is just remove or uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok search not working problem.